Dear Diary, so on this day, I planned making a vlog. Like, get ready with me to go and make my hair. But guess who is the most confused content creator? It is I. I am that I am. So my auntie actually woke me up very early to get prepared that the woman that will make my hair is already around. Immediately she left, I slept back. It was when the gate man came to call me to wake up that the woman is already the sleep just cleared in my eyes. So I ran to the bedroom, I brushed my teeth, I ran downstairs and she had already stretched the attachment and all that. So this is why there is no get ready with me to go and do this. So we started. She's quite fast. At this point, I'm even tired. I was just goofing around and yeah, this is it. I think she has gone half.
My woman.
She's so fast. She's so fast.
The best braider in the way.
She's so fast.
If you want her contact, just inbox me, maybe.
Yeah, so I was trying to let you people know that she can actually come to make your hair. That's if you stay in Owerri town.
They are big money.
Yeah, she can come to your house to make your hair, but you have to pay her very well. So yeah, at this point, I don't even know what's happening. I told her to wait first. Let me stand up and stretch my waist a little. And then while she uses the opportunity to recomb baby, I don't even know the attachment. And here, we were trying to cook. So you know this is summer holiday and everybody, all hands on deck. Everybody is picking beans. We were trying to cook rice and beans.
All hands on deck. All hands on deck.
All hands on deck. Happy. So this is Zubi boy. Zubi boy is trying to peel onions. Yeah, our pot is on the fire already. And look at, oh God, look at Cindy. See, Mama. She was so interested in this beans picking. I don't even understand what is going on. I was asking her if she wants to sell the beans because the way she was doing it. Oh my God. It was quite a day. Like, it was a fun day. And I was so happy that everybody was downstairs, you know, because it would have been so bored if it was just I and that woman. Yeah. Oh, I think she has finished stretching her attachment and we have to resume. Yeah, resume. Dear Diary, I think this is the first time I'm braiding my hair this year. It hasn't been, I don't like braiding my hair. It's so stressful. It's also stressful and it's painful as well, but I love this color. It's called ginger. If you want to buy this attachment, just tell them to give you ginger. Look at the back of my hair, so fine. She's so good, that woman is so good. Her name is Elizabeth, but we love to call her Eliza. Eliza, come and make our hair. Yes, she lives around. Excuse me. So yes, we'll continue. At this point, I was tired and I was trying to feel myself, you know, to wave off sleep. At the point, I was even feeling sleepy. Yeah, these are pictures. Chakam, chakam, chakam. I'm tired.
I'm feeling sleepy. The problem is I'm the one giving attachment, so I can't sleep.
I can't sleep. I'm the one giving attachments.
It's remaining small anyway.
Yeah. So you know when you're the one giving attachments, you cannot sleep. At this point, almost everywhere was messed up. They were done picking the beans, so I was like, let's sweep this place first, I beg. So it will not overwhelm us when we are done. So yeah. if you're trying to cook, you tidy up, you cook it. That way you will not have a lot of work to do when you're done. And look at this baby. This is like my woman. No, I don't even understand what she was trying to do. At a point she started videoing herself. She goes, I beg, maybe only you. Waka come, make myself see video myself. Her name is Kosi. So this was the front hair.
Ready? I
And
cannot
at this
wait.
point, the pain. Oh, our food was ready.
My food is ready.
I told Matty to give me one spoon. Let me test if it's sweet. Let me test if it's sweet.
Of course, they are.
Aww. Of course. It's sweet. It's sweet. Dear diary,
Say,
that day was fun, kind of. So at this point, we were done. We were done. So I was happy. So we need to coil it. And yes, this is how it's done. You coil and you drag it. Yes, you drag it up. You tie with a thread and you drag it up to get that coily effect. Then after tying and dragging, you put it inside hot water. Here we'll finish putting inside hot water. And I was sad, kind of. She didn't come with, I think, hair mousse. And I was telling her, no, you cannot do this thing without applying mousse. She said she needs to go back to the house. You can see my face. I wasn't quite happy. She needs to go back to the house. And I told her, please let her even go. Say, let me go and sleep. Let me go and sleep. And this was later in the evening when she came. That time I already finished sleeping, woke up, took my bath. Okay, I think we even went out safe and came back. That was when she now came. This was what she was applying, the hair mousse. I don't even know. And I was beginning to feel myself again. I was looking pretty. I was feeling pretty. Yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. I was trying to see different styles that would be. The hair was paining me. I could not even afford to pack it. I told her to leave it alone. She should not pack my hair for me. It's paining me because she left it in the morning and then came back in the evening. By that time the hair done. The pain, eh? Oh, this is me. I was feeling myself. I was walking around in the compound.
since morning,
Yeah, I
I
was
went to
feeling
sleep.
myself.
It's not easy.
Dear diary, we made this for one full day because I went to sleep. She went to get
I don't leave my
her
phone
moves
back.
and she
I'm no longer an
slept. I
older
don't
girl.
even know. It's like she said she went to sleep. I don't even understand what happened. I'm no longer an bad girl. Honestly, I didn't just want to keep you guys quiet. That's the reason I'm making this voice notes or this voice recording. So I don't know how I did, but okay. Bye. I'm done. Thank you for watching. Ciao, ciao.